Blairvadach Bites loves the snow, so with some household ingredients we're going to turn it into something magical. It's been snowing a lot recently, and we thought we could turn it into ice cream. So some milk, sugar, vanilla essence and salt, we'll try. To a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of milk. And then 1/3 of a cup of sugar. And a little pinch of salt. Also add a bit of flavouring. We've chosen vanilla essence. And now for the special ingredient. The snow. We need 8 cups of snow. Your bowl will probably overfill, so let's do some whisking occasionally. And just keep whisking to combine all the ingredients together. And that's you done. So serve it up in some lovely bowls and then dive in. Of course, feel free to add any garnish. Hazelnuts, chocolate, strawberry sauce, your choice. Absolutely delicious. Don't forget to have some fun in the snow while it's here.